Hello friends, welcome to your channel. In this video, we will cover ArrayList class of Java collection framework. ArrayList class implements list interface. It allows duplicate elements and it maintains the insertion order. To add an element to the ArrayList, we could use the method add. To add an element at a particular index, we could use the add method with two parameters, where first parameter is the index number and second parameter is the value. Using add-all method, we could add one ArrayList to the other ArrayList. Using get method, we could get an element at a particular index in the ArrayList. Using contains method, we could check if a particular element is present or not in the ArrayList. Using index of method, we could know the index of a particular element in the ArrayList. Using last index of method, we could know the last index of a particular element in the ArrayList. Using remove method, we could remove an element from the ArrayList. Using set method, we could replace an element at a particular index in the ArrayList, where first parameter is the index number and second parameter is the value. To iterate elements of the ArrayList, we could use for loop, or we could use enhance for loop, or we could use iterator or list specific list iterator. Thank you for watching this video. I keep uploading videos like this regularly. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and like and comment in the video.